Welcome to the Healy Quick Check Troubleshooting video. In this video, we will show you a few simple steps to quickly resolve the most common errors that may occur. Step 1. Make sure to turn on the Healy device first. The 2-second rule. To turn on the Healy device, you must firmly press the power button. Always remember to turn on the Healy device 2 seconds before opening the Healy app in order to allow the app to find and connect to the Healy device. Step 2. Does the battery need charging? If the right-hand LED flashes several times when you turn on the Healy device and then turns off, the battery is empty. You can check the battery status by clicking on the battery icon in the upper right corner of the Healy app. To charge your Healy device, you must first connect the charging cable to a smartphone power supply and then connect the other end to the Healy device. During charging, the battery LED will pulse. When the battery is full, the LED will automatically turn off. Please make sure to use the recommended 5-volt DC power supply with at least 2 amperes output power and that is connected to a working power socket. Step 3. Make sure that Bluetooth and the location service are enabled. On the left-hand side of the Healy device, you will find the Bluetooth LED. When the Healy app is connected to Healy, this LED is blinking continuously. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. For the Healy app to connect to the Healy device, the Bluetooth connection of your mobile device must be enabled. To make sure that Bluetooth is on, disable Bluetooth on your mobile device and then enable it again. Make sure that the location service is enabled. In order to determine the relative position to Healy devices in the vicinity with Bluetooth low energy, the location service must be activated on the mobile device. To save as much power as possible, Healy is using Bluetooth low energy. Therefore, the location service is required to connect to the Healy device, but the app does not access your location information. To enable the location service on the Apple devices, please proceed as follows. 1. Go to Settings on your iPhone. 2. Click on Privacy. 3. Choose the location service and turn it on. To enable the location service on Android devices, please proceed as follows. 1. Go to Settings on your Android phone. 2. Click on Location. 3. Turn on Location Service. Let's summarize the 3 main quick check troubleshooting steps. Step 1. Make sure your Healy is turned on before you start the Healy app. Step 2. Make sure that Healy is fully charged. Step 3. Make sure Bluetooth and location service are enabled on your mobile device. Hard reset of the Healy device. The hardware reset can be used if the Healy device does not respond or if you are having problems with the Bluetooth connection. To perform a hardware reset, you must press and hold the power button for about 20 seconds until the right-hand LED briefly glows in solid green and then turns off. Now you can turn on your Healy device again by firmly pressing the power button. If you have problems with Bluetooth not connecting to Healy, try connecting in an area where there are no other Bluetooth devices. Restart your mobile device. If there are connection problems with your mobile device, try restarting it. With an iPhone, this can be done with the following steps. Press and hold the volume down key and the side key. Clear the cache of your Android device. If you have connection problems with the Healy app, please clear the Bluetooth cache. If you are using a Google, Redmi, Huawei, OnePlus, Sony, Nokia, Motorola, or LG mobile device, please follow the steps below. 1. Open the settings and select Apps. 2. Tap the sort icon and select Show System Apps. 3. Tap Bluetooth, select Storage, and then choose Clear Data. If you're using a Samsung mobile device, please follow the steps below. 1. Open the settings and select Apps. 2. Tap the sort icon and select Show System Apps. 3. Tap Bluetooth Select Storage, and then choose Clear Data. Solving app issues. Many problems with running the app can be fixed by simply closing all apps on the mobile device and then restarting the app. We're now going to show you how to close apps on an iPhone 8 or older. The first step is to double-click the Home button in order to open the Fast App Switcher. The second step is to navigate to the screen of the app that you wish to close. The third step is to swipe up on the app card that you want to quit and flick it up and off the screen. Now we will show you how to close apps on an iPhone 9 or newer. First, touch the gesture area at the bottom of the screen with your finger. Then, touch and hold the screen for a few seconds and swipe upwards until the card-like multitasking interface appears on the screen. In the third step, you need to swipe up the app card you want to quit and remove it from the screen by swiping upwards. How to close all your apps on Android smartphones. Depending on the Android version you're using, there are different ways to close apps. One of them is the following. First, click on the 3 white lines to open the app drawer. In the second step, select Clear All or swipe up on the app card you wish to quit by flicking it up and off the screen. Another way is to first swipe up from the bottom of the screen and open the app drawer, which you can see as a thin white line at the bottom of the screen. In the second step, you swipe up on the app card that you want to close by flicking it up and off the screen, or click the X to close the app. How to close all apps on Samsung smartphones. First, click the App Switcher button located to the left of the Home button. In the second step, click the Close All button at the bottom of the screen. App permission issues. Make sure all permissions for the Healy app are enabled in your mobile device settings. In case of persisting connection or permission issues, reinstalling the app may be the best option. Reinstalling the app. We will now show you a step-by-step guide on how to reinstall the Healy app for Apple devices. First, press and hold the app icon for a few seconds, and then click the Remove App button. In the next step, click the Delete App button and wait until the process is completed. In step 3, you need to go to the App Store, search for the Healy app, click the Get button, and wait for the process to complete. Now we will show you a step-by-step guide on how to install the Healy app for Android devices. First, go to the Google Play Store and search for the Healy app. In the second step, click Uninstall and wait until the process is completed. In step 3, you need to click the Install button and wait until the process is completed. We hope that your problem has been successfully resolved. If you still have problems, please visit the Help Center. We wish you much joy with your Healy World products.